Welcome back to PalsFundamentals here on YouTube. We've got more videos like this one on our channel, and as always, you can find the sources for this news report linked below. Today is Thursday, February 27th of 2025, and we're going to be taking a look at what's been happening in the Faroe Islands.
We'll be focusing on local news today and then finish up with a look at the weather.
Sounds good. What's new?
Well, a new factory trawler, the Eco 5, just finished sea trials over in Norway, and it's heading to East Greenland.
Okay. Any other business news?
Hidden Fjord, the aquaculture company, is going to be releasing smolt into the cervix for air.
All right. What else has been happening?
The Faroe swimming school, argir, won an award.
Oh, fantastic. What was the award?
It was for Initiative of the Year.
Awesome. They must be doing something right over there.
Right.
What else is going on?
Well, there was a drug bust. A court case is coming up next week.
Oh, no.
It involved 3.8 kilograms of amphetamine and 23 kilograms of hashish.
Wow.
Smuggled into the Faroe Islands.
All right. Well, let's hope that serves as a deterrent. Anything else happening locally?
There's a film crew in Vestmanna
Oh, really?
shooting a horror film.
Oh, how cool. Vestman is beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's also been a little bit of controversy with the construction of the new church in Argir.
What happened?
The church council didn't get the permits they needed before starting construction.
Oh, okay. What else?
A new pharmacy is opening in Miðvágur on April 2nd.
Excellent. Where will it be?
In Miðvágur, it'll have a self-service kiosk, and of course, existing retail outlets will continue to sell over-the-counter medications.
Okay. That's good news for the people of Miðvágur. What about politics? What's been happening?
Well, Landsstyrismálin, the parliamentary ombudsman, you know them,
Uh-huh.
they found that government minister Dennis Holm acted without authorization in a case.
What case was that?
It was brought by Arni Skali.
Oh, I see. I heard there might be some disagreement about that.
Right. Holm maintains that he didn't do anything wrong, and he says there was legal disagreement about his actions.
Okay.
So that's all the news we have for today.
All right. Excellent. So now let's switch gears and find out about the weather.
Sure. So what's the Faroe Islands weather forecast saying today?
Yeah, what can we expect?
Well, right now it's pretty unstable.
Okay.
Westerly winds and showers.
How are the temperatures?
Between 3 and 7 degrees Celsius.
Brrr. What about as we head into the weekend?
There's a low pressure system.
Okay.
It's moving northeast,
Toward?
the Greenland Strait. It's going to reach the Faroe Islands by Friday evening.
Oh, no. Bringing
Strong winds and rain.
I hate it when it rains sideways.
Yeah.
So what about the weekend? What's the outlook?
Continued unsettled weather, strong winds, showers,
Anything else?
possible hail.
Oh, great. So when are things going to settle down?
It's like Tuesday.
What's happening Tuesday?
A high pressure ridge is moving through.
Okay.
Should bring calmer conditions.
So to recap, Friday evening through Monday, strong winds, rain, possible hail. Then calmer on Tuesday.
That's right.
Well, that was our look at what's happening in the Faroe Islands today, February 27th, 2025.
Lots going on.
Yeah, from new businesses to court cases and even a bit of political controversy.
Yep.
Don't forget to check out PalsFundamentals on YouTube for more videos like this one.
And be sure to check those links below for all the sources we talked about today.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time.